Hello and welcome to the TenKei automated trading machine. This has been going on for a while, but we've just adapted, updated, upgraded, and the idea is to make it better. Now, since we are talking about a algorithm of sorts or automated trading, yep, things happen. Whereas you look at it, you use it, it works, it doesn't work, it works, it doesn't work, and we just kept tweaking and tweaking until we get to a point where we find it works very well. But what works very well, and you could say literally 100% of the time because it does work, is the TenKei total profit target, this EA over here. Okay, that does work all the time. Of course, this works here, but this is the trading manager. Whereas we found, or we realized, that this now can be used on any market that you wish. Okay, it doesn't just need to be used with what we have over here. This EA we have, which is a TenKei, let's see, yeah, 7.0 EA. Yeah, I was just checking the spelling. I thought, how can it be spelled wrong? It can be used for anything you want. So imagine if we were to get rid of this, and you had your own trading, EA up there, etc. You could use, you could do it in any way, or use this EA in any way you wish. Okay. So after that, let's get that window back up again. There we are. Did you see that? Well, actually, I'll show you here because there's quite a bit to show you. Well, we'll come back to that. It's an education. There's lots to show you. But anyway, let's stick with the TenKei total profit target. In order to get or open this EA, there are, well, a couple of ways you can do it. Or the two main ways to do it would be to, on your computer, on your laptop, press F7, but make sure, watch this, when I click over here, this screen for the 1 minute chart, the Germany GER 30 1 minute chart is darkened or highlighted. When I click over here, let's see, let's get this activated. This screen, yeah, there we are, is highlighted. Okay, so if I click or press F7 whilst this section here is highlighted, let's see what happens. F7, it opens up the expert TenKei total profit target EA version 3, which is this. Now, we have, the market's running. It's Friday. We don't normally trade on a Friday, but we got it running anyway. But when you open this EA, this box, to have a look and check your figures, etc., if you set this up and you're already making profits for the day, what you really don't want to do is close it by pressing OK. Don't press that because that will reset this or reset this over here. So when you open this box, you close it up here if you don't want to affect your trades for the day, or at least your calculations for the day. So close it here. Okay? So once again, this is, you can see this box here is highlighted. It's darker than this one here. Darker blue, slightly darker blue, paler blue. Click on this one, so it's now a darker blue. So now this is highlighted. And if we press F7, the TenKei, or at least the expert TenKei 7.0 EA box is now open. So, so it differentiates between the two. So here you can either close here or here. But if you keep a pattern, stick to a pattern, let's say for instance we close up here. But really, we're talking about the TenKei total profit target today, the EA version 3. To open this, another way would be, see the space? There's a smiley face here. Smiley face means that the program is running. A sad face would mean the program is not running. So if we click on this smiley face, like that, then we get the EA box opened. Okay? So now, or next, what we'll be going through, we'll be going through what this all means. Okay? Now, just quickly, we have the about, we have the Common tab, we have the Inputs tab, we have the Dependencies tab. We're going to be focusing on Common and Inputs. That's it. We'll stop for now, and I'll meet you, we'll see you in the next video. Now, as I close this down, remember, I'm not going to close here, I'm going to close here. Thanks for watching.